Today, take a look at the induction heater bolt removal tool. Actually comes with a pretty fancy case. We do have our user manual. This is the main tool. We can see this is a 1500 watt. That is using a 3-prong plug. We got our heating button right here on the side. This one actually has an LED on there so we can see what we're heating up. We got our thumb bolts. That is going to allow us to open up and put our elements in. The idea is we just drop those in, lock them down, then we can put that over a bolt, hold that button, and it will heat it up. It does come with a bunch of different coils. So we got about a 1 3/4 inch, 2 of them that are about 1.5 inches. This is interesting. We actually have some look like stove heater coils. Looks like we got another 1 3/4, another 1.5, and a 1 1/4. And we also have some custom loops, so we can take this and coil that around whatever it is size that we need. And this is interesting. We actually have some formable rope coils. So if we need to make something really abstract, we can use this for that. So I've got a 1/2 inch bolt. I'm going to add some green Loctite 290. This is the heavy duty stuff. And we will lock that together. Now I'll give that 24 hours to cure, and we'll come back to it. Alright, so it has been 24 hours. Right now it is on. You can hear that fan running, but it is not very loud, so I do appreciate that. All I'm going to do is stick this guy on here, and then press and hold that button. So when we press and hold the button, that does turn the light on. We know that that guy is heating up. And this usually takes about a minute. Alright, so we are plenty hot. See, that boy is cooked. And it is like that Loctite never even existed. You can even see that smoke pouring off of that guy. The great thing about this is you can use it as many times as you want. There are plenty of extra coils on there. You don't have to worry about, like with a torch, you got to go refill that thing with gas. This is just such a useful tool. I started using a tool just like this maybe about a year ago, and I've just been using it ever since. If you got to deal with rusted or seized on or just super corroded bolts, this thing is a lifesaver. So overall, I'm very happy with that.